Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. In this video I am going to show you a website from where you can download any software. But before starting this video, shout out to Febri Diana, Venom Gaming and Tumney Clayton, the Art of Masked Beautiful Vlog. If you also want a shout out in my next video, subscribe now. So let's start the video. Go to browser, search getintopc.com. Here type name of any software that you want to install and search. Click on any of the link. Scroll down. Click on download button. You can watch the tutorial on how to install that software available on the website, and there you go, install and enjoy.